Datadog. I think about Datadog and say, wait a minute, how does that fit with customer experience? But of course it does. Tell us what's the state there and how the CISO stitches into this activity.
Yeah, no, certainly. And first of all, thank you for having me and having us being a part of it. And sometimes I feel like my job is a lot easier, and I commend my esteemed panelists from the public sector taking on this journey. And as a citizen who takes part of these services, I definitely thank you for putting a focus on CX. So the agencies that we work with are benefiting, right, when it talks about CX and observability, and a few things is, well, first of all, recognizing that digital experience monitoring is a part of CX, right? It's like, how do you actually understand the customer experience? And we talked about that journey. When you go to a website, when you have to go and finish a transaction online, how does that look like? And being able to see end-to-end what that transaction is and what that experience is critical. That's some of the values that we're seeing our agency partners understand. But then on top of that, understanding their entire digital ecosystem and delivery chain. How do you know when something is broken? When do you need to respond? And you address an important component where it's not just technology. There's an element of policy and culture internally that goes as part of CX as well. So how do you actually get the teams who are responsible for all of this working together and understanding exactly what are the pain points that the customers are seeing and how to best address them? And we're super excited about seeing the progress being made there, and the focus of this executive order that everyone has is obviously running at 100 miles an hour now to go deliver on, that is focusing on that customer experience part that everyone could benefit from. So we're definitely super excited about this, and we're seeing huge improvements and progress already with the agencies that we work with. And how does a CISO play with it? Well, as a CISO who also owns IT for a company of thousands of people, I think customer experience is something that I think of every day. But I believe there is an element of security as well when it comes to customer experience, because the more united this culture and the work behind that happens to making a good customer experience is done, I believe it streamlines the ability to detect and respond to anything on the security side, because it actually sets the tone across the board of understanding what is out there and understanding when something just doesn't look right. But also on the people side, who's what and who's doing what and who works on what and who do I reach out to when something doesn't seem right is a key component of having a good security response program as well.